Have you ever heard of the mysterious night parrot? This elusive bird was thought to be extinct for over 100 years. But in 2013, a wildlife photographer captured the first live image. Night parrots are nocturnal and extremely secretive. They are found in remote parts of Australia's arid interior. Their green and gold feathers blend perfectly with spinifex grass. Only a handful of confirmed sightings exist in modern times. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this rare species. Scientists use sound recordings to track their movements. The night parrot remains one of ornithology's greatest enigmas. Like and subscribe for more fascinating Australian wildlife facts.